Hello and welcome. I'm Daniela, the sales engineer at Motion Control Products, and today we're going to be speaking about our partnership with Novanta. So first, let's speak about Novanta. They're a manufacturer of motion control components for automation. They were founded in 1986 and have an experienced team of engineers to develop solutions in brushless motor technology and electronic controls. They have worked in a wide range of applications, from medical instruments, lab automation, robotics, semiconductor manufacturing, packaging, laser marking, and pick and place. Novanta knows that delivering innovation that matters requires understanding the global business environment as much as the needs of the stakeholders. Novanta also offers a wide range of encoders. They offer compact, non-contact inductive encoders. With no moving parts and printed circuit design, they deliver robust, accurate performance, perfect for harsh environments. Make sure to subscribe as we'll be releasing a video on this soon. Motion Control Products first started our partnership when Novanta was called IMS, Intelligent Motion Systems. We have now been in partnership for 26 years. What does this partnership mean to our customers? Well, we can offer a range of products from Novanta, including integrated stepper motors, stepper drives, and their range of encoders. Let's go through the range of products we have from Novanta. First, we have the Liberty MDrives, which can be rotary or linear. They deliver power and precision in a compact integrated motor. They feature an isolated RS422 or 485 interface with selectable baud rates from 4.8 to 115 kilobits per second, and they connect via a standard 9-pin D-sub for easy, reliable integration. Additionally, they offer HM technology, which is blending stepper simplicity with servo precision, eliminating stalling and sync loss. The LMD Liberty MDrive offers closed-loop control, high torque, no tuning, and compact efficiency. We also offer a range of panel and PCB-Mount stepper drives and controllers that deliver easy-to-use and easy-to-integrate compact motion control solutions for a wide range of applications. We have the M4 stepper drives, Liberty Motion Module LMM, and PCB-mounted discrete drives. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about this, contact us with the information on the screen or in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to learn more about our range of products with Novanta.